welcome to Dun Investments. Today we have selected 4 stocks to trade tomorrow, mostly intraday basis. The first one goes as Reliance. On 1 hour time frame, I see completely trading in a range. एक रेंज में है स्टॉक, सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस मार्क किया हुआ है. You will see that currently the price is respecting support, but I see little weakness on the stock. Now why that? Depending on the daily time frame, which you can see personally on your chart. Now if this support zone and a psychological level of 2400 is taken out in Reliance on Monday, that is tomorrow, I would look out to short on this stock intraday basis, and the targets for below is marked, that is 2365 and 2325, and I would like to maintain my stop loss at 1.5% of the stock price, or you can say as per my capital. On the higher side, I wouldn't go like to go long unless and until this resistance zone has been taken out clearly on 1 hour time frame. This zone is around 2500, but I would still wait and watch for a buffer zone of 2525. You want to trade Reliance for the long side, you can only trade about 2525 level. The higher possible chances of that is you would get bigger targets around 2555, 2600 and possibly more. But currently stock is in a weak territory. We just need a confirmation below 2400 psychological level. Moving on, we have another stock, Escorts. Completely range mein hai. From last couple of days, the closing of this particular stock is somewhat around same price, that is 1844, 1846, 1848. Stock में long जाना है. If you want to go long on the stock, you will only buy about 1885 levels, that is sustaining in 15 minutes time frame. Look out for at least 2 candles sustaining about this price. Then I would maintain a stop loss of around, you can say 1 to 2% on the stock. Higher side, I can see the stock moving up to 1925-30 levels. Above that, 1955 to 65 levels. I would like to go short on this stock only below 1830. थोड़ा बहुत overbought zone में है, as everyone say. I don't use much indicators, but if you still apply RSI on a daily time frame, you will see that it is somewhat near 75 zone, which is considered to be overbought zone. But I give less importance to all those things. 15 minutes time frame में ये range है. You have to short only below 1830 for a target of 1800 and 1755-65 levels. Trailing basis, always keep your stop loss as per your risk capacity, and once trade आपके favor में जा रहा है, trade is going in your favor, only start trailing and save your capital. So Escorts, buy above 1885, sell below 1830 for respective targets that we have marked on the higher side, 1935 and 1965. On the lower side, 1800 to 755-60 levels on Escorts. Then we have TechM. TechM coming in radar only because we are looking into whole IT sector, and I like that low to high Fibonacci level के हिसाब से TechM ने 50% retracement कर दिया है. Basically, TechM has retraced 50% from recent lows to recent highs, and it has already retraced 50%. And on 50% Fibonacci retracement basis, it is giving you a healthy bullish candle. You just need a confirmation that this stock to trade above 1602 to 1605. Moment it start trading and give you a sustain, a close above 1605 in 15 minutes candle. Maintain a stop loss of 1575 and go long for a target of 1625 to 1640. And once the trades start going in your favor, please keep trailing your stop loss. Moving on, we have HDFC Limited. Recent times it has given a healthy breakout of the previous resistance zone. Now what we can see is it has given a breakout and it has retested the breakout zone. So what basically indicates previous resistance has now become support as per the price action. We see a small green candle forming here. Once you have to see a stock trading about 2780-85 level, giving you a sustain in 1 hour time frame. You can go either intraday or swing basis for this particular target of 2830, 2850, 2880. 2880 पॉसिबल है एक दिन में if कोई न्यूज़ आती है तो, otherwise it can be covered in swing basis. But personally, if you ask me, as per market sentiments, I would like to be only and only intraday player most of the time in this one. I won't be comfortable taking overnight positions. If I am facing 1 to 2%, 3% loss in a day, I will cut it out. If I am seeing a decent profit, I will cut it out. Thank you. And disclaimer, we are not a SEBI registered analyst. All my views and chart technical analysis is clearly not a trading or financial advice. It is purely for an education purpose and you may maintain your risk. Thank you.